Welcome to Creative Bath Lab, where I share my passion for DIY bath and body projects. Join me in creating fun and unique bath items. Today I'm making jelly bath bombs. These are so much fun. The jelly bomb bubbles constantly, creating a thick jelly foam that I personally love to squeeze between my fingers. The foam floats and then slowly dissolves, making the water a bit softer. Sodium alginate makes the jelly and the calcium lactate helps it. I used avocado oil, but feel free to use whichever oil that you want. I'm using berry colors and micas. I felt like a berry themed bomb would complement a jelly bomb the best. I don't know what happened. I feel like I pulled muscles in both arms, and by the time I got to this point, my arms felt like noodles. I didn't know if I was going to be able to finish mixing the batch. I almost got my mixer out. Here I'm adding color powder that I made, berry colors of course. Hit the icon for more information. I was gonna do a multicolored berry, but I ended up mixing them all together. I added just a bit of eco-friendly glitter to give the jelly foam some sparkle. Okay, so watching this, I feel like an appropriate name for the bomb is Razzle Dazzle Raspberry. Yes, guys, I am a nerd. Okay, so after this, I mixed them all together and they made a gorgeous berry color. Carefully take off the mold. If it doesn't come off easily, tap it some more until it does. If you've been looking for an ingredient to make a bubbly bath bomb, this is it. The bomb bubbles constantly, churning out jelly foam. There are so many large bubbles churning and popping that it moves the bomb in a very odd way, and the bomb almost looks alive. I do want to clarify though, the bomb doesn't turn all the water into jelly. It creates jelly foam, and as the jelly dissolves, it loses its thick jelly-like consistency, and the water is noticeably softer after. The bath bombs also lasted a while too. This recipe made exactly 4 3-inch berry bombs. If you couldn't tell, I really enjoyed this bath bomb. I found the foam very entertaining. Thanks for joining me. If you like jelly bombs, give this video a thumbs up. If you're interested in this project, refer to the description where you'll find helpful tips and the supply list at the bottom. Subscribe now for more creative bath inspiration. Connect with me anytime. My accounts are linked and you can find them in the description as well. And if you make any of my projects, I would love to see pictures. Post them on my Facebook page where I can interact with you.